Western Digital is a leading company for hard drive products as well as other business solutions for network storage. Their hard drives offer large storage amounts, high-speed access, and portable solutions. Before the millennium, Western Digital made many innovations with their 1 GB storage disks and slowly increasing their storage amount by half a gigabyte. Eventually, as time goes on, the capacity amount on the hard drives increased at a rapid rate. Today, storage amounts are commonplace at 1 terabyte. Compared to its main competitor, Seagate, Western Digital has shown to have a more reliable set of hard drives. They make hard drives with different performance values depending on the application asked for, such as the high-performance black drive that was built with gamers in mind. The form factor for chips has reduced while the storage amount has increased. The company started out as Emerson Electric Company of St. Louis. With the rise of computers, a market for semiconductors became a profitable business. Renamed Western Digital, the company began its great journey onto becoming a great provider of chips. They moved their location and provided new RAM chips that would be included in many computers of its time. IBM had made significant strides with their technology, but Western Digital caught up with them. As personal computers became popular, the company focused on that market and the manufacturers. The company worked towards new technology and produced a bus for Macintosh to communicate with peripherals. Their profits let them work towards purchasing smaller companies. The technology gained through this brought their sales up to the 500 fortune mark. The purchase of those smaller companies is what ultimately helped them get to the Fortune 500 group. They have been on the list for 14 years and rank at 217 as of 2017. Graphics cards were produced but were not the main focus of the company. Other acquisitions led to an increase in the diversity of the products available. Johnson helped foster an innovative environment for his engineers. The profits saw double, and the company experienced a great amount of sales with their drive controllers. Braun's decisions led the company onto the track that it is on today with a focus on data storage. Their overseas purchase needed some work, but they were able to streamline it for better production. The annual income saw a massive increase. Haggerty is an ex-IBM worker and was known to help reduce the costs of production. They moved to an integrated storage type, and the hard drive storage size more than doubled each year with the newer hard drives coming out. There were a few flops during the 90s with the introduction of the Portfolio as well as their other hard disk to CD drive chips. Fortunately for Western Digital, with the help of IBM, they were able to rise back into the market near the end of the 90s. The newest drives have far exceeded the older products that Western Digital used to produce, with a greater variety of hard drives to meet different needs. Acquisition of SanDisk led to the work on better flash storage with this valuable technology. Western Digital tried to buy Toshiba for many months, but eventually gave up at the end of 2017. They then tried to build relations with Bain Capital, the now owner of Toshiba. The production of a 3D architecture for the flash storage provides an extra dimension of storage amount. This has led to the production of 1 TB M.2 SSDs and high-capacity micro SD cards. They have looked into the autonomous vehicles market for the data storage opportunities, as well as an offer with an AI development in France. They have also worked on transitioning old tapes to digital and provided gamers with the 3D solid-state drives. As the years go on, they wish to pioneer the largest and fastest storage options on the market. With their recent acquisitions, this will be possible. They have already released some of their best drives like the Black M.2 SSD with 1 TB for desktops. Western Digital continues to provide their products with reasonable prices and exceptional quality. Within their company, they like to have employees work on furthering their career with the company to rise up. With the other competitors, Western Digital stands as a role model with their coordination of their assets and the innovations they come up with.